Hi guys, this is Arshad Qureshi and welcome to my training room. And today's subject is very important, and I'm going to talk about the screw shot, the problem mistakes or common mistakes or problems in a screw shot. I have made quite a few videos, but this is very sensitive matter and it needs to be refreshing. I need to keep refresh this subject for you guys again and again. Actually, what makes me do this video today is that I was playing outside the room, and in the hall I saw a couple of players who were struggling to screw the ball back, and they were trying very unorthodox way to screw the ball back. And when they asked me, I showed them, and they say, "Oh, that's very easy." Actually, they didn't realize that what's the major problem they were doing, the way they were hitting the cue ball, and they were trying to screw the ball back. But trust me, it's not that simple. You don't have to. If your cue action is okay, if you are steady, you're letting the cue go, it works very well. But before we start our today's video, please subscribe my channel. The link is there, and always share my videos. And also, if you want to invite me in your country, in your city, in your club, I'm available. And do contact me. My numbers are there. And any questions or comments, do write in my comment section or inbox me. So let's start today's video. Sorry. Also, please make sure you like my Facebook pages. And let's start with the shot. And the major mistake people do is when they try to screw the ball back and they pull the cue quickly after hitting, and then they pull cue back, and which is very tricky for the people or for the player to to keep their cue steady, or they stop actually the momentum of the cue, or secondly they try to stop the cue going through, which makes them twitch or makes them grip cue very hard. So these are basic mistakes which I'm just going to show you. And always try to let cue go through. For a screw shot, the better you follow the cue, the greater screw you can do. Let's do the wrong way first, and let's see. As you can see, the moment I try to hit the ball and then pulled my cue back, and I even missed the ball, and you can see it was very difficult. That white was not coming back, it wasn't screwing back at all. Let's watch it in slow motion, and you see when I hit the ball and I pull my cue back, which is stopping the white ball to get the momentum of the shot. Here's another angle, just watch it. And that also makes my body move a bit more, my right hand, my head, everything. So this is one of the major problem that I wanted to highlight. And then there is another problem that we're going to talk about, but now let's try to do how we can improve and let our cue go through. So always put a chalk on, don't forget it. But before playing this shot, just make sure that you build this habit. Now I'm going to let my cue go through softly and make a soft screw shot. As you can see, there wasn't much to it. I didn't hold my cue and let my cue go through. This is another angle. I'm going to play another same soft screw shot and bring my white almost there where the white is, not too far. It's not going to be power shot. So let's see. Let's enjoy, and also note it that I'm gonna let you go through the white ball. Watch it. So this is very important, and without effort, the cue ball returns back. Let's have a quick look at the slow motion, the same shot. You see my finish and my soft screw, and that's it. That's how you play your shot. Let's see. There's another look of it. So you can see on the screen that where I'm hitting the ball, it's not very low, but again it's slightly above -4. So that will also give you the idea that how it works, where to hit. So now I'm gonna try to pot this red ball and try to make position on pink, and you can see how easily I play a shot and my white ball comes straight back. You can see the white ball picture on the screen. It showed that where I was hitting, it was quite low. I'm going to play another power screw shot. It's not huge, but it is also a slightly power short than than the main than the basic power. So I'm gonna let the cue go through. Just see, there you go, steadying and staying down, keeping my cue there, and you can see this pink is very good. And let's see, there you go, there you go, that's it. So you can see it's a deep screw shot. I had to dig the white a bit so it comes naturally reverse back, but you must let the cue go through. Again, this is another angle, so you can see, and the white ball do its job. So another common mistake what people do is they stop their hand going through and jumps up after the shot. So don't do that. Don't be a jumpy. Just whenever you want to play a shot, stay down, let the cue go through as shown in previous videos, and that will show you that how you can comfortably screw the ball back. Because when you try to stop the cue, your grip gets very tight and it gets very difficult to put backspin in the cue ball. Just remember this point, that that screw shot is very difficult. If you don't understand the process of hitting or the natural way of hitting the white ball, improve your hitting, you will always be struggling with the screw shot. So let's enjoy a few power screw shots. It's a quite far long pot, not easy obviously. Here's another one. That's a good shot. As you can see, it's a power screw shot. It's not. There's another power screw shot of the blue spot, and you can see how white ball comes back comfortably. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and understood what I was trying to show you, and highlighted that don't ever stop your cue, or don't be jumpy, don't get up too early, and always let the cue go through the cue ball so it comes automatically. So I hope if you have any questions about today's video. One more thing, don't start with the power shots straight away. Start with the soft shots, slow shots, very soft stun screws, and then if you are good enough, then you can do as many screw shots as possible. So please subscribe my channel before leaving, and also press the bell button so you can get all the updates. Also, if you like to invite me in your club, in your country, in your city, please contact me. If you need a cue, if you need a snooker table, please let me know, or any other accessories. And so please leave me a message on the numbers. But make sure you practice and take care of yourself. Thank you very much. Bye.